Okay. So, hi guys. Guys, we have a hello self. Ganon. Okay. So today I'm facing reality. I'll be completing all of my debts. And after 30 minutes, hindi. Ano kayo pag ano? Sige. We'll start with, okay, credit card. mm, credit card. So, yung aking credit limit is 240,000 pesos. Pero, minax out ko siya and more than pa. So, currently, my total credit credit debt is wait, check natin. Okay. So, it is 268,000 pesos. Kasi pinag-purchase ko ng cellphone ng kapatid ko. Kaya, tapos nag-push through naman. So, pero it's way beyond my credit limit. 240. So, parang ano siya, 18,000 above my credit limit. Ewan ko ba, pero bakit yung bumasak? Okay, and next, delayed rent in our apartment. So, that would be for 3 months, kaloka. Sabihin mo na approximately 22,000 or more. I was not able to 22. So, parang, kahit mo sabihin mo 6, 75, oh, hindi, 22,500. And then here, because I was not able to pay how much I wasn't able to pay my electric bill for a year. Nag-accumulate. So, may 50,000. Hindi rin yun, parang in-estimate ng may-ari. And then, I have for Maya, hindi, not Maya, last pay later. Doon kasi ako nag-grocery for our stuff. So, sabihin mo, kano yung utang ko doon? 10,000. Hindi. Wait, check natin for sure. Okay, that's 9,000 pesos. And then, rent here, almost delayed for almost 2 months. 40,000 pesos. Hindi, 42,100. Plus rent here for this month. And then, what else? Loans, bank loans delayed for 2 months. That is 60,000 pesos. How will I pay this? And then Gcash loans, that is almost, magkano hindi ko binayaran din? Oh, that's 16,000 pesos. Okay, so let's total that one. Magkano? Right. Where's my calculator? Wala ba akong calculator? Calculator. Kaloka. Wala sa app. I don't have a I have. So, 268,000. Clear. I don't know how to clear. Okay. 268,000 plus 20,500 plus 50,000 plus 9,000 plus 42,100 plus 20,700. Supplier pa. I have 39,000. That's pork. 422,700 plus 60,000 plus 16,000 plus 39,000. So I have 527,300 pesos in debt. Hindi ko alam kung paano siya babayaran. No, plus 20,000 from my sister and 6,500 at home. So, plus 20, kind of 5 to 7, so that would be okay. So that would be total debt. So my total debt is 553,800 pesos. I don't know what to do. Okay. So I really don't know how to do this kasi don't have any online racket na right now and business is not good. So maybe paano ako na-max ng credit card kasi I needed cash and that's why ginawa ko siyang ATM. Palagi ko siyang kakash advance. Kaloka. Sawak-samok na lang tiba ko ng inyo. So I really don't know what to do dito. So I'm planning, I'll be paying the small debts. And then, I will ask the bank para kung pwede, transfer nila yung credit card debt sa parang mas lesser, something like that. Pero I don't know pa. Okay. So, I'll update. I-update ko after 4 months. Kung ano yung nabayaran ko from this. And I hope I am able to pay all of my debts after 4 months. I'm hoping after 2 months. Sana makahanap ng racket online. Kasi kapag hindi, I need to go abroad. Anong work doon? Look. Sana may job na nag-offer ng 200k kahit 16 hours, ganoon. Ay, pero can you do that in a job unless you're contractor. Okay. So 553,800 in debt. Okay. So I hope, I pray I'll be able to pay this in a matter of 2 months. I'm really praying. Okay. Bye guys. Bye self. Check after 2 months.